Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Kleshagni Subodha Muksha Logita Krit Sudurlava. Kleshagni Subodha Moksha Logita Krit Sudurlava Sandra Nanda Visheshatma Sri Krishna Karshani Chosa. Kleshagni Subodha Moksha Logita Krit Sudurlava Sandrananda Visheshatma Sri Krishna Karshani Chosa. Gauriya Goswami Sri Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada Paramahansa Jagadguru said that to seek the satisfaction of the Supreme Lord is called bhakti. To seek the entire satisfaction of the Supreme Lord is called Suddha Bhakti. And to try to satisfy Bhagavan is bhakti. And to seek the satisfaction of a public is called non-bhakti. It is not bhakti to seek the satisfaction of the public. This is not called bhakti. Keeping this thing in mind, we can try to make progress in devotional line. If we forget all different kind of countless problem and weakness can touch our heart. Weakness means anartha. Hidaya Durvallo, anartha. So, first of all, we must try to clean our heart so that there cannot be any anartha. It's a direct indication that anartha is there, weakness. Weakness is there. So long as weakness, heart, hidaya, the world is there, till then there is no question of any actual bhakti. If the situation demands so, tomorrow I can discuss all in details. Somebody asking to Prabhupada, the Prabhupada, is it good? Is it good to make disciple? What do you think? Prabhupada speaking, a real guru, a genuine guru, never make any disciple. He is thinking everybody is my guru. He never make a disciple. He is thinking that everybody is my guru. And he is helping those who are aversive to Krishna Bhajan, Janasya Krishnad Vimukhasya Daivad, Adharma Silasya Sudikchitasya, Anugrahayeho Charanti Nunam, Bhutani Bhavmani Janardanas. Countless jivatas are there, they are completely aversive to Krishna Bhajan. So your pure sadhu always trying to make them favorable to Krishna Bhajan. They are trying their best to mix all jivatma, whoever comes, they are trying to make them Krishna Bhakta. They like to engage each and everybody in the seva, Guru seva, and Krishna seva. Though there is countless Sevak there in eternal Dhavam Bhagavan. Still Bhagavan like to get no new devotees, no countless. So Sadguru always like to engage them in Krishna Seva. Sadguru can never allow anybody to do Maya Seva. The fine demarcation between Maya Seva and Krishna Seva can never be detected by bonded soul. Only Shuddha Guru Vaishnava can detect. They can realize there is a problem, something there. Guru Darshan is not a matter of joke. To discover, to see everything. Guru Darshan is not a matter of joke. Guru Darshan, Kriya, everything Guru. Everything Bhakti. Everywhere Guru Darshan, everywhere Guru Darshan, Guru Sambandha Darshan, to see everything in relation, to Krishna, Krishna Sambandha Darshan, is called Guru Darshan. And Lagu Darshan mean a darshan of bhoga. Lagu darshan mean a darshan of bhoga. Lagu darshan mean a darshan of bhoga. I mean, looking everything with a mood of enjoyment. Kamini, Kanchan, everything, love, puja, pratishtha, all Joshit Sangha. If love, puja, pratishtha is there, then I am also Joshit Sangha. Yoshit. All everything Joshit Sangha. It's called Lagu Darshan, Bhagavad Darshan. Darshan with a mood of enjoyment. That is called Vishwa Darshan, Jagat Darshan. Two type of darshan at a time not possible. One is Guru Darshan, one is Jagannath Darshan. Jagat Darshan and Jagannath Darshan cannot go together simultaneously. Jagat Darshan and Jagannath Darshan cannot go together. Prabhupada giving an example, like medical professors, they are not going to make only student. Rather, they like to make doctor, new doctors. Medical professors, they are giving training to new boys, but their target is to make doctor, not only student. The duty of Guru Padma is also like that. Guru Padma always making Guru, not Lagu. Guru Padma always making Guru, not Lagu. He cannot make any Lagu who can be busy with enjoyment, sense gratification, not that. A Sadguru always making Guru. Actually, those who are initiated in true sense, he can make him Guru, not disciple, not Shishya. So, like the medical professor, they are going to train up those students not to keep them student for whole life, but to make them doctor. If there is any shortage, then immediately they are going to take step to rectify their faults and going to help them to get established in their professional job which is called doctor. If no Vaishnava like to give initiation, if no Vaishnava like to give initiation, then the flow of our heredity, flow of our, parampara can stop. That's why Srinivasacharya told, Gotram nu vardhatam. Srinivasacharya told, number of devotees, Gotra, Vaishnava can increase in number. I mean, he wanted to say that new Jivatma can become Vaishnava. Gotram nu vardhana. Gotram nu vardhata. Let the number of Vaishnavas increase. I mean, not general devotee. Those who are going to identify themselves as devotee, they have all anartha, weakness, everything. A pure Vaishnava, I mean those who are out of Labh Puja Pratishtha, their number, if going to increase, then I am very happy. And Srivastava also told, let the number of Vaishnavas increase, our Gotra. If Vaishnava is not going to give initiation to anybody to make him Guru, then the paramarthic lineage, parampara, can stop. If somebody like to act as Guru, I can give advice to everybody. I am not ready to hear any advice from anybody, I can give advice only. If he is acting like a Guru, then he become a Vaishnava. If somebody like to acquire the chair, seat of Guru only to get Labh Puja Pratishtha, he become Laghu. He is a Vaishnava. That is why Prabhupada told, not that for infinity life we can maintain this kind of ordinary procedure to stay under the category of Maya. Prabhupada speaking, well, don't try to become Guru, but you must become Guru. Don't try to become Guru, but you must become Guru. For infinity period we can maintain our Laghuship, Maya Seva, that is not expected. Prabhupada wanted to say, first of all, try to get the qualities of a Guru. Without attaining the quality, perfection of Guru, if you act as Guru, deliver lecture, give mantra, then nothing more dangerous, fearful than that. That is not good. That is a symptom of fall down. A genuine Guru never have any false ego that he is Guru. He is always thinking humble. He is thinking I have nothing, Niskinchan. And inside his heart, Tat bhitta 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 bhittasya bhitto iti mam anusmaro lokanathaha. One devotee from South India speaking, Prabhu, if you like to remember me at all, I am very insignificant soul, very small, nobody can remember me, but at all if you like to keep me in mind, I will. Tad bhitta 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 bhittasya bhitto iti man anusmaro lokanath. I am the servant of 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 Vaishnavas. Parmaya Madhu Goswami Maharaj used to say, I don't know what is Bhagavad Seva, how to do Bhagavad Seva, but I only understand to serve Vaishnavas, pure Vaishnavas, is my bhakti. If I can serve Pure Guru Vaishnavas, that is called bhakti. That I don't understand. Infallible. And also, it is not so easy that we can get sadhu sangha, though it is written, sadhu sangha, Krishna naam, ei matro chai, sangsar jinite ar kono vastu nai. Though we know from Shastra, but not a matter of easy. Sadhu sangha, where we can get? Mahat sangastu durlabo agamya amaghasya. Devarshi Narad wrote one small, book that is called Bhakti Sutra, Narad Bhakti Sutra. There it is written, Mahat Sangastu Durlabo Agamya Amaghasya. Mahat Sangha is very, very rare, very, we think very cheap. We think very cheap, but very, very so rare, nothing so rare than that. Mahasangastu durlabo agammo amagasya. First of all, Mahapurush, Sadhu Sangha is very rare. Agammo, we cannot realize them. Even if we meet with Sadhu, we can, that useless. No money, no, useless. Agammo. We cannot approach a sadhu, we cannot realize. And amog, at the same time amog. Amog means infallible. If at all, if we do satsanga real in true sense, it is infallible. Without any fail, it can give result. That kind of real Krishna Premik Mahatma, who is having Krishna Prema, is very rare. By the kripa of that kind of rare sadhu, Mahapurush, Bhagavad Prem, we can get very easily. But it's very rare. In true sense, Premik Mahatma very durlabh. Satsango prapate punghir bahuvir sukriti purva sanchitoi. If our luck is very, very good, very, very favorable, then and only then we can get sadhu sangha. Even after getting sadhu sangha, we can miss all opportunity due to our demand for love puja pratishtha. Guru Vaishnava can never be engaged. Guru Vaishnava can never be engaged for my sensual gratification, love puja pratishtha. It is a great offense. And by the only and only by the mercy of Bhagavan, only and only by the mercy of Bhagavan, one can get satsanga. Satsanga prapati punghir bhavir sukriti purva sanchitai. So, labhate opi tat kipayaivo. Naraji Maharaj writing in Sutra, labhate opi tat kipayaivo. Okay, sadhu sangha we can get. It's a great mercy, by the great mercy of Bhagavan. Tulsidas ji also speaking the same thing. Tulsidas ji also speaking the same thing. What is it? Binu sat sangha tarai na koi Ram kipa binu sulabh na soi Ram kipa binu sulabh na soi Binu guru bhavanidhi tarai na koi Ram kipa binu sulabh na soi. We have to wait for the kipa to come, then and only then we can get sadhu. We should remember, we should realize, we should not forget Bhagavan and Guru Vaishnava non-different from each other. Tasmin tajjane bheda bhavat. Tasmin tajjane bheda bhavat. Arthat Bhagavan and Bhakto non-different from each other. No difference. Sakshat harityena samasto sastrai ruktastata bhavate vasadvi kintu pavarjo priyavatasya vande guru sinchara. So tasmin tajjane veda bhavat. After that, the next sutra speaking, tadeva sadhyatam, where you can get Bhagavan. If you cannot go out of Maya, if you cannot cut anartha, how you can get Bhagavan? So, sadhu sangha is a must. Continuous non-stop harikatha, kirtan, can give you success. Remember, tadeva sadhyatam, 2 time repetition. Like in Vedanta I was discussing just, anabriti sabdat, 2 time repetition. Repetition means confirmation. Repetition means Shastrakar going to emphasis on this particular thing. Big importance. Tadeva sadhyatam. In your whole life, if you would like to get success, don't try to pass lecture. Try to get the actual association of those pure devotees. That is not the result. That is not the final result of sadhu sangha, that I can put myself into bonded condition more and more by love puja pratishtha. How you know? Who can detect? One doctor can detect. One patient cannot realize what is my disease. One patient cannot realize this is my disease. One doctor need. He can detect and understand. If I understand myself, then I am a doctor. So what need of going to doctor? Tadeva sadhyatam. Repeatedly speaking. So, sadhu sangha so rare, I already started to draw final conclusion of this Brihad Bhagavatamrita. I am bound to discuss it more clearly. Klesha-agni, all problem can get vanished by the appearance of Saru Shakti. If not going, if feeling some depression, this, that, surely Saru Shakti not touching my heart. What to speak about Nishtha? Nishtha is the more higher place. Nishtha is such a place where all kind of insult, abuse, all, problems happening, everybody like to cheat me, but still there is no dissatisfaction. That is a symptom of Nishtha. Nishtha hoite hoy premet taranga. Prema cannot come so easily. Prema is not a matter of joke. I told many times, Kyantir abhyartha kalattam, viraktir manusunnata, asabandhu samatkantha namagani sadaruchi, asostistat gunakshane pitistat vasudistale, itvadayo anubhavaha, suryate bhavan kurejane. What to speak about Baba? Guru Bhagavad told me, don't try to pass any lecture. Don't try to pass any lecture. Hear Harikatha. Try to speak with acharan totally free of any love, puja, pratishtha. No smell. You can try. So, A Vaishnava surely thinking all very carefully in cool rain. Kleshagni, Shubhada, all problems can go away. Kleshagni, the fire of burning, due to there is four different kind of problems can come, like Adhyatmik, Adidoivik, Adhyatmik, Adibhautik, all different kind of problems can come. All can get vanished by the appearance of Sarup Shakti inside heart. Then he can get a light, a new light, like morning time and sun rising in the east, as a golden color, as if I am going to get a golden, golden envelope, inside which a new letter is there, waiting for me to open and see. Golden envelope in which the whole day what I can do, what seva, what new message is there. So it seems like that, always enthusiastic mood, no depression, nothing. Depression coming from operation, and operation coming because I myself like to cheat myself. That is. So, Klesagni Shubhoda, all Mangal in true sense can come. Moksha, even moksha is so cheap, even moksha becomes so cheap that you don't like to speak. Moksha lagodakrit. Sudurlabha, very, 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 very rare. So rare that in the name of bhakti we are eating green banana. We are taking green banana from market. We are not getting bhakti. Bhakti is totally separate. I can discuss this point so you can realize from heart. So, Kleshagni Shubhada Muksha Lagutakrit, Sudurlabha, very, very rare, I will tell. Chandranando, one dense Ananda, Ghanibhuta Ananda, Visheshanta, you can feel some speciality of your position. And surely Krishna can feel attraction. Guru Vaishnava can feel attraction for you. Bhakti is such a thing, if you look ugly, suppose somebody looks very ugly, but still, if Sarup Shakti Bhakti Devi is there, I have seen practically in my life so many such cases. One lady, not good lady, but still, as if some sweetness there, due to Bhakti. Just 2 years back, that lady left. She was a disciple of some Maharaj, here, near our Bengali center, Ashram Maharaj. That lady was really a devotee. Perhaps you have not seen. Her name was Bonamala Devi. Very aged, but always try to do seva. Heart melting all the time. Some sort of sweetness there. With his activities, speech, looking, taking, doing everything. And Gurudev also used to bless, full blessing, both husband and wife. And that man is doing kirtan in my Bengali center, you know him every day, his wife. So not that one man must be very rich, one man or lady must be very beautiful, must be very educated, not that. Bhakti is independent, never depend upon all those material factors. You can pass lecture, we cannot pass, it's a very cheap point. Main thing is how much love you have, how much faith, how much serving mood you have for Guru Vaishnava. Not that Guru Vaishnava speaking something heavy, then I can lose my temperament of service. That is not at all bhakti. That is not at all bhakti. That is kapat bhakti. Actual Saraswati when appear, nishtha hoite upajay premet tarang. Nishtha is such a thing, if somebody is seeking you by giving some lucrative offers, somebody going to torture you, going to throw you out from your position, but still you are fixed up in your position because you are having Saraswati in you. Never be displaced. Fixed position, nishtha. So, if there is no false ego inside heart, if one guru thinking is, I am the disciple, they are all my guru, he is thinking himself the servant of the servant of the servant of Guru Vishnu and Bhagavan. Bhagavad Dasya, servitorship mood is very important in him. But if some guru thinking that I am guru, everybody bound to obey me, all my followers, then Prabhupada speaking, then the pronunciation with guru, Bengali and Sanskrit word become vanished and we can become Goru. Goru means cow. A genuine guru, real guru, like Gopakumar, all the 24 hours, out of 24 hours, all 24 hours, Bhagavad Seva is busy with Bhagavad Seva all the time. Except Krishna Seva, he is less interested to do any Maya Seva. Less interested in not doing any, no Maya Seva. A little bit, if you are going to do Maya Seva, then your heart is contaminated, you cannot become a pure devotee. Except Krishna Seva, he don't like to understand anything. Gurudev is heart and soul, not that Gurudev going to give me some backing to become a big personality, then he is Guru. Gurudev going to beat me, chiding me, no, he is not Guru. He is not Guru. Then it can prove I am in bonded condition. Anartha there. Anartha there. If with anartha, if I go on speaking, I can spread the contamination, spread the corona disease all everywhere. So, first of all, we have to get cured. First of all, and one word going in the market, prevention is far better than cure. Okay, let the disease can come, I can go to doctor and... No. At all the disease not developing inside me, that is more important. Prevention is more important than cure. Except Krishna Seva, a Sadguru, Sadvaishnava, cannot understand anything else. All the time doing seva, seva, seva. Without seva is feeling suffocation. So many people wanted to torture me, drive me away, insult me, so many things. But none of them was able to make me disconnected from Gurudev. Continuous Gurudev. Gurudev continuously giving inspiration, Prabhupada, to do seva, mani seva. So still today, I find it is the seva is the main seva given by Guru Padma, Guru Varga. Guru seva is my heart and soul. Guru Nishtha Bhakto, those who are having Nishtha, rigidity unto the lotus feet of Guru, such a devotee can act as Guru, not that everybody having, everybody, not that everybody who is having money power, man power, I can act as Guru, not that. Not that. Not that he can act as Guru. Everybody cannot act as Guru. So we are going to draw final conclusion of Bhagavatamrita today or tomorrow. So I need to discuss all in details. Before, after that, what we can start, that we can consult with Vaishnava. I think Laghu Bhagavatamrita is the next step, is good. All Tattva Siddhanta confirmation. So we already discussed Bhakti. If Sarup Shakti Bhakti is there inside me, then Krishna can feel attraction for me. Like one iron piece can feel attracted by magnet. Krishna is the magnet, and he is also feeling attraction for iron. Iron can, he can pull iron, or Sandrananda Visheshatma, Sandrananda Visheshatma, Sri Krishna Karsani Chosa. It can pull Krishna and bring Krishna in front of you. Krishna cannot hide, Krishna cannot fly. We already know many times. Shuddha Bhakti is Sudurlabha, very, very rare. So rare, that any amount of lecture cannot clarify this point. And also more, Sudurlabha Mahatsanga, that I already discussed on Narad Bhakti Shukta. Bhakti can be divided into two parts. One is Saguna Bhakti, Nirguna Bhakti. We, under the guidance of Prabhupada, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, very much interested about Bhakti Vinod Dara, I mean Nirguna Bhakti. We like to get Nirguna Bhakti. Yes, Saguna Bhakti is contaminated, has some expectation this, that, still doing Saguna Bhakti. Nirguna Bhakti is very rare. Niskinchana, Akinchana Bhakti, Shuddha Bhakti. Those Paramahamsas, they are situated in this condition. Those jivas having their body, they usually having Saguna Bhakti, but Sattik Guna is there, contaminated, attract, Kaitava, not Akaitava. There is Agyan is present there, not that they are out of Maya, it's a must. Agyanata, Agyanata, the ignorance must be there in it. Vidyamana avashyam, it's a must. Because we know from Chaitanya Charitamrita, Agyan tamer naam kahiye kaitab, Agyan tamer naam kahiye kaitab, Dharma artha kam moksha adi ei sab, তার মধ্যে মোক্ষ বাঞ্ছা কৈতব প্রধান, যাহা হইতে কৃষ্ণ ভক্তি হয় অন্তর্ধ্যান। অজ্ঞান তমের নাম কহিয়ে কৈতব, ধর্ম অর্থ কাম মোক্ষ আদি এইসব, তার মধ্যে মোক্ষ বাঞ্ছা কৈতব প্রধান, যাহা হইতে কৃষ্ণ ভক্তি হয় অন্তর্ধান। So, A man having material body, maybe is trying to do bhakti, but it's not pure, must be very careful. Even they cannot get any information, because who can give information? Who is following himself, he can give information. Who is not following, who is holding the flag of bhakti, not following, who he cannot give information about this. He has no power. So, Agyan Tamer Nam Kahiye Koitya, Dharma Artha Kam Moksha, Kam Vancha, Adi Eisha. Tar Muddhe Mukha Vancha Koityava Pradhan, Yahamite Krishna Bhakti Hayam Tadhyam. Moksha Vancha is the most fearful factor because Krishna Bhakti can disappear. Krishna Bhakti can disappear, completely disappear from that place. Jiva Goswami was already told, Bhakta Saragu Niragu Divido Parikirtita. A Bhakta who is the speaker, who is having all different kind of desire to get love, Vijayapadishta, can contaminate himself, increase the contamination. Contamination was already there. It can increase the amount of contamination, and at the same time it can contaminate all those who are attaining him. Bhakta Sarago Nirago Divido Parikita. And second type of bhakta who is having no desire, if you stop, if you continue, that's up to you. You can speak. If you allow not speak, no. No desire, nothing. Only his target is to speak about the absolute truth to them, to help them to get established in Krishna Bhajan. That is target, no other target. Bhakta Saragu Niragu Divido Parikirtita. So, Jiva Goswami told, as per his instruction, Nirguna Bhakti, Nirag Bhakta can be allowed by Sasan, not anybody and everyone. So to follow his instruction, we are bound to give honor to his order, his instruction. Bhagavad Gita Nirguna Bhakti, Tat Sevadirupa Bhakti automatically cannot develop by staying in contact with pure devotees. One can develop this kind of Nirguna Bhakti, Akinchana Bhakti, not that automatically. So usually devotees in the first stage when not developing, usually devotees in the first stage when not developing Akinchana Bhakti, Saguna Bhakti, that time their Dharma, Artha, Kam, Moksha, Bhukti, Mukti, all contamination there. That is naturally can help you to get Saguna Bhakti, not Nirguna Bhakti. Pancham Purusartha, fifth Purusartha is Krishna Prema, which is almost rare. Pancham Purusartha is Krishna Prema. Pancham Purusartha. In this material world, those who are in general, the meaning of Purusartha means they understand Dharma, Artha, Kam, even not Moksha. In the root of the karma of any jiva, there is one sanskar going to drive that jiva. So, according to the nature, sanskar, tamasi, rajasi, different kind of bhakti can be there. But usually pure bhakti is nirguna. So, it's very rare, very rare. In Narad Pancharatra, it is written, Sarvopadhi vinirmuktam tatparatena nirmalam rishikena rishikesh sevanam bhaktiruttama. This can give the same meaning as the other sloka which you can find in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu we find Anna Vilasita Sanyam Jnana Karmadi Anabhitam Anukulena Krishnanu Bhakti Ruttama. This meaning is same. Sarvapadi Vinirmuktam Tatparatena Nirmalam Rishikesh Sevanam Bhakti Ruttama. Bhakti is such a sweet thing that we cannot realize at all. If you have tasted bhakti, then you can realize. You have no taste of actual bhakti, how you can realize? Bhakti, when staying inside Bhagavan, it is called Sarup Shakti. But when the Sarup Shakti entering into the heart of devotee, then it is called Bhakti. Sarup Shakti, when resting inside the heart of Bhagavan, is called Shakti, Sarup Shakti. When this Sarup Shakti enters in the heart of your Guru Vaishnava, it is called Bhakti. Like you can remember Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told after taking sannyas, Kika sanna se mor prem nijodhan. What is the utility of my sannyas? Prem is my own property. Mahaprabhu already told. Nobody can realize what he is speaking. Kikat sanna se mor prem apandhon. What is the utility of why people taking sannyas? Why? To get bhakti, na? Seva. That is already there in me, prema. Kikat sanna se mor prem apandhon. Because sannyas definition we know, sannyasi, there is definition. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu already told, Etam samasthayo paratmanishta purvataner mahatvir aham tarishwami duranta param tamaha mukundang nirshevayo. By Mukunda Seva, Guru Seva, we can go out, otherwise no way. Bengali Bhagavan speaking. Bengali Mahaprabhu speaking. Prabhu kahe sadhu ei bhikkhuk vachan. Prabhu speaking, well, the declaration by the sannyasi is very good. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Mahaprabhu speaking that Tirandi sannyas, his resolution, his declaration is very good. Prabhu kahe sadhu ei bhikkhuk vachan. Mukundo sevan brato koilo grahan. By taking sannyas, he has taken resolution to serve Krishna. Nothing else, no maya. Prabhu kahe sadhu ei bhikkhuk vachan. Mukund sevan brato koilo nidharan. Mukund sevay hoy sangsar taran. By Mukund seva, one can go out of Maya and get Krishna Prema. Though there is countless devotees and Bhagavan himself having Sarup Shakti, Ladini Shakti, Sambis Shakti Sar, already I told. It is called Bhakti. Countless, infinity bhaktas are there, but still Bhagavan like to get new. More and more, new and new. Nice. Though Bhakti is there inside Bhagavan, but still Bhagavan like to give bhakti to somebody and Bhagavan like to play with him. Follow what is. The Sarup Shakti is the personal property of Bhagavan. Maya Shakti, Jeev Shakti outside. Maya, Bahiranga Shakti, also Tatastha Shakti also cannot find any place inside heart. Though in non-different from Bhagavan, but still, as a Shakti, Shakti, Matur, Abhed, non-different, but still it has some separate existence, not getting place just inside heart, outside. Follow. So, though bhakti is there inside Bhagavan, but still Bhagavan like to distribute bhakti among devotees and after that like to play with them. I can give one or two examples like that. Okay, Sarup Shakti is the own property of Bhagavan, personal property, okay there. I can give one example. One mother, she is going to give birth to one baby, but not yet. Baby is there inside womb. That time, mother going to love that baby inside belly, inside, you know. You are also going to love, imagine my baby is there inside, I love. But when that baby coming out, and if that baby is there in the lap of mother, then more and more enjoyment. So similarly, Saraswati itself, Bhagavan is full of Ananda. Ladini Shakti, Sambit, Samved, Sar, is called Bhakti. Already there inside Bhagavan, and Bhagavan is full of Ananda, but still Bhagavan like to see that Bhakti outside, inside a devotee, and like to play with him, just like the example I already gave. Baby is already there inside womb. But when the baby is taking birth and playing in the lap of mother, sucking breast milk, that is more practical, more and more enjoyable. Like another example I can give, air is everywhere. This space is full of air. But when the same air, one artist taking one fluid in his mouth and same air taking and pushing inside the hole of a particular hole, then a sweet sound, Bansi Dhani coming out. Right or not? Yes. Right or not? Yes. So, I know air is everywhere, but when by one special technique, one artist can push that air through a specific hole to control with a hand, some hole to be pressed, some hole to be relaxed. This way one nice Bansidhani can appear. So the air is everywhere, but still when Bansidhani coming, it can put one special reaction inside our heart. So never mind. This way, bhakti is very rare. Then what to speak about Rupanuga Bhakti? Rupanuga Bhakti, Raganuga Bhakti. We are speaking big talkings. Tall talkings is not good. Tall talkings is not good. So, first of all, we don't realize bhakti. After that, we identify we are Raganuga Bhakta, Raganuga Acharya, Rupanuga Acharya. Okay, let them do. We can give answer like Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj. They cannot bear even a single penny loss. Absorbing lean matter, love, puja, padishta, money, enjoyment. and they can do Raganuga bhajan. It's a matter of joking, sarcastic way. Gaurkishore Baji Maharaj speaking, well, they cannot bear even a single penny loss. They can do Raganuga bhajan. Oh, well, they have money because they can go and buy Ujjal money. Those who are the Sahajiya, and if this germ, contamination there inside are hiding, that can appear like a sleeping snake can force, can go up. Yesterday I was speaking to some small devotees. You see, the snake, poisonous snake is sleeping inside us. So long as we are doing Vaishnava Association, Guru Vaishnava Association, hearing Harikatha, they cannot show power. If we stop, somehow get aloof, get detached from Guru Vaishnava, then immediately the snake force can come up to bite you. You cannot remember how lucky you are. You are lamenting. Simply because you need to wash your body, mind, everything by Harikatha, Harikirtan soap, disinfection. You have to clean the germ. Then you can become qualified. So, Sarvattama Bhakti, if there is continuous remembrance of Guru Vaishnava, Bhagavad Mahaprabhu speaking, Matsriti Sadhu Sevaya. If you like to develop Bhagavad Sriti, Guru Vaishnava Seva is a mass from heart, without any smell of self-interest. Be careful. Without any smell of self-interest. If there is any self-interest, and then it is not seva, you cannot get continuous remembrance of Guru Vaishnava. You cannot speak Harikatha. You will have to memorize. Continuous link, continuous memory of Bhagavan, Guru Vaishnava can stay when your serving Guru Vaishnava is pure, without any contamination. Tavad Brahma Katha Mukti Padavi Tavadana Tikti Bhavet Tavat Chapi Visankhalatamaitena Loka Veda Sthitihi Tavat Sastavidam Mitaha Kalakalanana Bhirmatmasu Sri Chaitanya Priyajano Yavad No Diggachara. Tavat Brahma Katha, till then you can feel satisfaction. Oh, Brahma, Brahma. You can laugh opening the teeth. Oh, nice. Tavad Brahma Katha, Tavad Mukti Padavi Natikti Bhavet. Mukti, Mukti, oh, so great, I can get Mukti. Mayavadi speaking. Mayavadi, they think themselves lucky. Vedanto Bhakkesha Sada Ramantam, Kopina Bantam, Khalubhagya Bantam. They are speaking. Vedanto Bhakkesha Sada Ramantam, Kopina Bantam, Khalubhagya Bantam. They are thinking. Really you are lucky. You are discussing Vedanta, and your only property is Kopin. But Madhavendra Puripad, the topmost distinction for the seva of Gopal, you are bound to accept 10,000 cows and temples, chandan, so much bandara, all for the complete satisfaction of Krishna. What you like and what you don't like, what we like and we don't like, that is not so important. What Guru Vaishnava like, what Bhagavan like, that's very important. The sloka started with, here, Prabodhananda Saraswati was speaking, Up to that point, they can give honor. They are fostering inside the heart. They are longing to get this post of Brahma. Tavad Brahma Katha Mukti Padavina Tavad Natikti Bhavet. You cannot feel bitter. So long as you are not going to meet with any pure good Gauranga Parsad, you can believe. This is very important. Tavad Brahma Katha Mukti Padavi Tavad Natikti Bhavet. Tavat chapi visinkattamayatina loka veda sthiti tavat sasta vidam mitaha nana kalakala bhirvatmasu Sri Chaitanya Priyajano yavad na diggachara. So long as you are not going to meet with one Gauranga Parshad Parvamsa, till then you can give value to Muktipad, Brahma Katha. Till then, you can find this society is well organized, is very maintained. Till then, you can fight. Till then, you can fight with other pandits. Follow. So long as you are unable to meet when pure devotee, Gauranga Pasha. Because meeting with pure devotee is a matter of blessings by the Supreme Lord. Not that you want, you have money for, you get. Now at present there is a general dirty conception going on. So I have money power, I can get sadhu. They think they can buy sadhu, they can buy sadhu by the help of money power. But not that. They are idiot, number one. Sadhu can never come under your control because you are in Maya. You are in Maya. You cannot come under your. They cannot feel comfortable with you. When the heart is clean, then they can feel comfortable. Otherwise not. Like Bhagavan. If there is different kind of demand, Anatha Bhagavan not feeling comfortable to sit or sleep inside the heart of such a so-called devotee. Bhagavan like to stay inside the heart of pure devotees, more practical, because there is no Kamana Vasana. I already gave one example 5 years back maybe. There I told, you are cooking paramanna with very, very nice quality cow milk, Indian cow milk. You are adding, you are adding or camphor, all a nice thing. Canberry and rice, very nice quality rice. When the preparation is fine, the flavor all around going, everybody says, somebody is cooking a sweet rice, very nice. But when that sweet rice is going to be distributed among devotees, the first devotee was given, is taking the sweet rice and putting in the house, in the mouth, and immediately, useless. Why? Because Paramanna cooking is very good, no doubt, but it is full of stone chips. Stone chips. In our childhood, there was very minimum production of good rice, or rich people they used to buy, and ordinary people like us used to buy rice from market. It is full of stone purposely. They are cheating. Purposely they are adding stone chips, and we need to check up. We need to check up. Even you can find this evidence in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Chaitanya Bhagavat, Vishnu Priya Devi, every day before cooking for Gauranga, his Prananath, she used to clean rice, one handful of rice used to clean 1, 2, and all useless thing, unwanted elements, she used to throw it out. One rice used to take Jai Gauranga, Jai Gauranga, this way. So, if there is different kind of demand, kamana vasana, desire, anartha, then surely Bhagavan cannot feel comfortable to sleep inside your heart. But in his Kinchan devotee, with having no demand, no desire, his life is dedicated for his satisfaction of, the satisfaction of Bhagavan. He, inside his heart, Bhagavan staying, that's why it's so continuous flow of Kirtan, Harikatha, everything possible, not out of memory. Bhagavan sitting, so everything possible. If Bhagavan not sitting, nothing is possible. So, Tavad vanmu katha mukti padavi tavad anatikti bhavet Tavat chapi visinkhalattamate no loka veda sthitihi Tavat sasva vidamitaha kalakalanana bhirvatmasu Sri Chaitanya priyajano javat nadigachara. So long as we are unable to meet with the pure devotees of Gauranga, we can feel the social system is very well organized, discipline is very important, or somebody can spend time with the talkings of Brahma, Maya, Jiva, they can go like Sabha, what is it? Brahma, Maya, Jiva, all the time. Follow. But Gopikas, they are feeling the social system useless. Because their activities, their thinking, all their thoughts, their behavior, their activities, all in favor of Krishna Seva. They like to serve Krishna and give satisfaction 100%. That's why they find no utility of the social systems, these restrictions, everything. They find, because restriction is that because the restriction, social status, their rules and regulation can bring problem in their life because they like to do Krishna Seva freely. But that restriction, everything is one kind of barrier in the way of Krishna Bhajan. They cannot do. That's why Gopikas, they like to kick out, break all social systems, anything, they like to break out of social system, Veda Dharma, Loka Dharma, social status, they like to kick out, and they like to jump into Krishna Seva. Let crazy people speak whatever they like, we don't care. We like Krishna. We like Krishna. We like to serve Krishna. That is called actually Braja Prem, which is beyond our comprehension. We are jumping without attaining the stage of anartha-free condition. We are jumping. We can jump and go up. By Bhaktivinoda Thakur joking in his kirtan. You are not climbing the tree, but from down you are pulling with the fruits. Oh, here. And some other story Prabhupada told, somebody watching the jackfruits in the tree is very big and ripe, so he is taking precautionary measure. Is a precaution. He is going to apply mustard oil in the mustache. Because when going to take jackfruit, then the adhesive can make problem. So the jackfruit is there in the tree, and the man is from now taking preparation, applying oil in his mustache and beard, everything. So that the day he can enjoy taking this jackfruit cannot make any problem. That is our Rupanuga Bhajan and Raganuga Bhajan. People become angry by hearing me, but they can do nothing. They can do nothing, they can become angry. Well, this is a condition of our devotional field, completely destroyed. Completely. no vitals there, all gone. Now, we like to discuss something here. Tomorrow also we can discuss. And I think tomorrow is the last day. Our Bhagavad Bhagavatam is going for 3-4 years. Nice. Here, last time I was discussing that how Janmejaya and Parikshit Maharaj discussing to mother and Janmejaya hearing from Jaimini Rishi. Follow. Mother Uttara, Parikshit Maharaj speaking before leaving his body, and the final and the most vital question of Uttaradevi was, those who were serving Krishna in Golokdhan, very special seva, all their life, minds, everything dedicated for Krishna seva, their position surely cannot be same with other devotees who are attending Vaikuntha or Dwaraka or maybe Mathura, like our, Mirabai. She was successful to attain Dwaraka, not Vrindavan, because she was not under the control of Radharani. She wanted to serve separately, so she was given the place at Dwaraka. Whole life she was doing bhajan of Krishna, Girdhari Lal. Finally she went to Dwaraka and submerged in the deities of Dwarakadis. Follow what I say? That is the condition. So, not that each and everybody can get the same. Some foolish acharya speaking, Putana also getting attaining the stage of Jasodama. How possible? Where from he got? And everybody, lakhs of people, crores of people following him. Okay? If your luck is very bad, what more you can expect? Your luck is burnt up. You only can get money, position, woman, everything. Mami Padishta. You cannot get bhakti. One drop of bhakti is so rare, that is beyond human comprehension. Mahaprabhu told one drop of Krishna prema can inundate the whole world. Mahaprabhu speaking to Sanatan, hey Rupa, Rupa, what to speak about Krishna? When I think about Krishna, I feel suffocation, as if I am standing in the bank of such a infinity, endless ocean of Krishna, in a prema ananda. So I am going to dip one drop of this bhakti so that you can get the taste, and accordingly you can arrange distribution of bhakti among others. That you can do. But it's very rare, be careful. So, it was a question of Uttarama. Surely, those who are having special love for Krishna, serving Krishna wholeheartedly, surely they cannot be giving the same position as the other devotees. Last time I already discussed last week, Nayam Sriyo Ango Unitanturatihe Prasadaha Sarjo Sitam Nalino Gandhurucham Kutoanya Rathasaviyasho Bhujadandu Grihita Kanto Labdha Sisham Ya Udgada Vajasundarinam Nayam Sriyo Ango Unitantaratihi Prasadaha Sarjo Sitam Nalino Gandharucham Kuto Anyaha Rathasaviyasya Bhujadanda Grihita Kanto Lavdha Shisham Ya Udgada Vajasundarinam. In the Rasasav, Ras festival, by embracing all gopikas. Krishna was dancing. This kind of prasad kipa is rare. Not rare. Very, 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 very rare. Almost possibilities almost tends to zero as per calculus. This possibility is almost, the possibility turns to zero. But that prasad, kripa, all Bhajagopikas they got, they were successful to get embraced by Krishna. And even Lakshmi, she is having her place in the chest of Bhagavan, not even getting this kind of opportunity. All heavenly planets were all nice, beautiful ladies staying there, having their body smell is like rose, Angakanti. They also could not get, it is not to be spoken, what to speak about it. Nayam Sriyo Ango U Nitantaratihi Prasadaha Sarajo Sitam Nalina Gandarucham Kuto Anya Rasot Saviyas Bhujadanda Gihita Kanto Lavdhasi Sham Ya Udgad Vajasundarinam. Yes. That's why Uddhavji crying and crying and crying and speaking, praying to Bhagavan. Hey Bhagavan, aha. Asa moho charanarenu jusa moham sam Vrindavane kimapi gulmalato sadhinam Jadustajyam sajanamajyo pathancha hitva Bheju mukunda padavim sutibhimigram Asa moho charanarenu jusa moham sam Vrindavane kimapi gulmalato sadhinam Yadustayam sajanamajyo Majjo pathancha hitva Bheju mukunda padavim sutibhim Jadustajyo sajanamarjo pathancha hitva Bhejur mukunda padavim sutibhim vinita. That Gopigan, they left all their restrictions, they broke all the social status restriction, everything. They were successful to go out of the social status, restriction, bondage, Vedic Dharma, Loka Dharma, all their relatives and elderly person can criticize, all they didn't care. So Arjapad, Suti, Sutibhim Bimigram. Suti going to search out the lotus feet of Krishna. Suti, everything going to search out the lotus feet of Krishna. That also they broke, thrown out. So Uddhavji wanted to arrange one dust particle, one piece of dust particle from the lotus feet of such gopikas. Asa mohu charanarenu jusa mahamsam vrindavane kimapi gulmalato sadhinam jadustayam sajanamarja pathancha hitva bheju mukunda padavim sutibhim bimigam. Aha. One dust particle, not speaking Renavaha, singular number Renu, Asamoho Charano Renu, not speaking Asamoho Charano Renavaha, Renavaha means plural number. Yes, singular, one dust part. So asa moho charanarenu jusa maham sam Vrindavane kimapi gulmalakausudim. I like to take birth in Vrindavan in the form of herbs or creeper, everything, so that those Brajagopikas can go away this way, and by the help of air, their dust particle from their lotus feet can purify me. That is my only expectation. I have no other alternative expectation. Asamoho charunarenu jusamoham sam Vrindavane kimapi gulmalato sadinam Jadustajam sajanamajapathan chitva Bheju mukunda padavim sutibhim vimigam. Well, this kind of expectation is not a matter of joke. That's why Uddhavji was bound to speak loudly. Uddhavji was bound to speak loudly. Uddhavji is speaking what? Bandhe Nanda Vajastrinam Padarenu Abhignasa Jasam Harikatadigitam Punati Bhuvanatrayam Bande Nanda Vajastrinam Bande Nanda Vajastrinam Padarenu Aviknasa Yasam Harikatadigitam Punati Bhuvanatrayam Yasam Harikatadigitam Punati Bhuvanatrayam Bande Nanda Vajastrinam Padarenu Aviknasa Yasam Harikatadigitam Punati Bhuvanatrayam Yasam Harikatadigitam Punati Bhuvanatrayam. Bhagavan, so many comments by Bhagavan we can find here and there. Time to time I can go on discussing, maybe tomorrow. Adi Puran, Bachan, and sometime Bhagavan speaking to Uddhav, who those gopikas are. I cannot speak out. I cannot identify in a very specific way. They are my friend, they are my everything. Bhujisha, they enjoy with me, they think me, husband, everything, what not, all relationship. Uddhav, I cannot say what is my relationship with Gopikas. I cannot speak out properly. But anyway, slight discussion we can speak tomorrow also. So, it is clear, Sanatana Goswami in his commentary wanted to clarify. So the position of Gopikas and their dust particle of their lotus is more and more important than Suti, Siti, Puran, everything. More important. So it is already proved. Because Suti, Siti, they are going to search out the lotus feet of Krishna. And Krishna searching those Gopikas to get their love, special love. So all Suti, Siti, Puran, Upanishad, going to pass different kind of remarks, but still we will have to discuss something today and tomorrow, the last day. And the most vital teaching is that the Krishna speaking in Adi Puran, Gopi bhaveno Mamivam je bhakta samupasati teshu tashu eva tushtosmi satyam satyam vadami aham. Krishna speaking, those devotees, they may be gopikas or gopas, both. That's why teshu tasu. Hear me, what is so? Very careful. Otherwise they can make grammatical mistake. Gopi bhavino mam evam jo bhaktya samupasati teshu tasu evo tushto asmi sata satyam satyam vadami aham. I am going to speak truly. Those devotees, lady devotees or any devotees, those who are with Gopi Bhavas, they are going to serve me. Gopi Bhavino Mam Evam, only and only me, they are serving. No alternative. Gopi Bhavino Mam Evam Je Bhaktya Samupasate, those who are worshiping me, Tesu Tasu, or maybe Lady Bhakta or maybe Jain Bhakta. Tesu Tasu Tushtasmi, I become very happy, very satisfied with them. Tesu Tasu Eva, definitely Tushtasmi, I become satisfied. Satyam Satyam Vadami Aham, I am truly speaking. Uddhav, I am truly speaking. And those Lakshmi Devi, Brahma, Shankar, they are searching for the lotus feet. They are not getting so easily. What they are getting? You know the Kirtan of Rupa Goswami Pad? Yadapi samadhisu vidirapi pashati nataba nakagro marichim idami chamini sammatavachyuto tadapi kipat bhuto vichim Krishna Deva Bhavantam Bande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Bande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Bande Hari Deva Bhavantam Bande Hari Deva Bhavantam Bande Jaboi Sriyar Chito Majadi Bhi Rapta Kamair Yogesarairapi Sadatmati Rasagashtam Krishna Satat Bhagavataha Prapadarabindam Nyastam Staneshu Vijahu Parirabhatapam Ja Boi Sriyar Chitam Ajadibhi Raptakamair Yogesarairopi Sadatmati Rasagashtam Krishna Satat Bhagavataho Prapadarabindam Nyastam Staneshu Vijahu Parirabhatapam. What is rare for Lakshmi Devi, Brahma, Shankar, Aptakam, Munigan, all they are doing meditation, tapasya, steady penances, ashwin, but they are never going to get this kind of luck as was available for the Gopikas. They were successful to put their legs of Krishna on their chest, breast. Gopigan Rasa Samay Kuchamandale Samarpita Gopipa Krishna Charan Kamal Sakshad Alingan. They were successful to embrace and they were successful to quench their burning heart. Jaboi Sriyar Chita Majadi Virapta Kamair Yogesarairapi Sadatmati Rasagostham Krishna Shatat Bhagavataha Prapadarabindam Nyastam Staneshu Vijahu Parirabhatapam. Yes, so many things need to discuss, but time cannot permit. Kandarpakoti lavanye tvai drishte manansino kamini bhavamashyaddo smaro kubdhani asangsayam tatha talloko vashinyaha kamatattena gopikaha bhajanti ramanam matya chikirsajani nastatha. Hey Krishna, Kandarpa Koti Lavanya Vijayi, crores of Kandarpa Koti Apragita Kamdev, Hey Krishna, you are. By watching your face, your body, your Baba, our mind feeling woman Baba, those Dandakaranya Rishi speaking. Kamini Baba, we don't know why, like Gopesar. Gopesar Madhav were not allowed. Finally, when he got Gopi Baba, then Gopigan Jamon, the way all those Gopikas, they getting your blessing and love, Kam Tatte, we also like to, we also having this kind of desire. Srutigan, those Sruti Siti Parthana, and also this is actually Sruti. All Sruti Siti, they are going to pray. And another point I told in Dandakaranya, by watching Ramchandra, those Muni Rishis, they wanted to embrace Ram with a feeling of Kamini, woman. So Ramchandra, they no, not possible now. And next appearance when I can come in the form of, next time when I can come, in the form of Gopijana Vallabh, then I can fulfill your heart, not now. So, Javai Sriyar Chitamajadi Virapto Kamir Yogeswarairapi Sadatmoti Rasagostham Javai Sriyar Chitamajadi Virapto Kamir Yogeswarairapi Sadatmoti Rasagostham Krishna Satad Bhagavataha Prapadarabindam Nyastam Staneshu Vijahu Parirabhatapam. And here Sutigan praying, Kandarpa Koti Lavanye Tvai Drishte Manangsina Kamini Bhavamashyaddu Smarok Chubdhani Asangsayam Tatha Tallokuvashinyaha Kam Tattena Gopikaha Bhajanti Ramanam Matya Chikirsajani Nostatha. By watching your Kandarpa Koti Lavanya Rupa figure, we feeling Kamini Baba, just like Gokul Vasani Gopikas, their luck is very, very, very. We like to get that kind of luck, to be embraced by you. We like to play with you, like those Gopikas. Kandarpa Koti Lavanye Tvai Dishte Manangsina Kamini Bhavamasyadus Smaro Khubdhyani Asansayam Tatha Tallokuvashinnaha Kamatattena Gopikaha Bhajanti Ramanam Matya Chikirsajani Nastatha. Sri Krishna speaking, it is really rare. Durlabho Durghatas Chaivo Jismakam Sumanorathaha Mayanumuritaha Sammak So Opi Bhavitum Arhati. Krishna blessing to them and speaking, though I know it is Durlabha, rare, rarest of all rare. Durgata, it is impossible to happen. No, any cost. But still, Jismakam Sumanoratha, this kind of sweet desire inside our heart, okay, I can fulfill. Mayanu modito bhavitum. So durlabho durghatas chaivo Jismakam Sumanoratha Mayanu moditha samyak so opi bhavitum arhati. Same blessing was given to all those Katyayani Brato, the small gopikas. So satyam bhavitum arhati. This way, their heart was fulfilled. Anyway, I can start from this point tomorrow also, because from there, tomorrow is the final conclusion. After that, we can discuss with devotees what to start newly, and also thumbnail, everything will have to prepare very quickly within this week. Anyway, so tomorrow, rest of the points I can discuss. I promise you to draw final conclusion anyway. So not today. So the sloka I started with the glorification of Bhakti Devi. Kleshagni Shubodha Moksha Laguta Krit Sudurlava Sandrananda Visheshatma Sri Krishna Karsani Cha Sa. Sri Krishna Karsani Cha Sa. It is very rare. So, if we cannot understand the minimum qualification of a devotee, when and how, and if we are in confusion, I am a great devotee, then big problem is, then never we can get bhakti. So better to wait. Never, it is better late than never. It is my formula. Immediately I can become a great. How we can become? It is more practical to wait and watch and move gradually so that we can attain that kind of final position. Krishna Prem, crores of infinity life gone, infinity life gone in our life. Still today we are not getting Krishna Prem. How dare we can think we can get it overnight? Who going to guide you this wrong way? Who going to guide you wrong way? So, I started with the definition of bhakti. Kleshagni Shubhodam Moksha Lokatakrit Sudurlaba Chandrananda Visheshatma Sri Krishna Karsani Chausa is the rarest of the day. One drop of Krishna Bhakti I expect, not a lot. Not. Very rare. How dare? If somebody is mad, crazy, he can jump like jackal. Grapes are sour. We read this in our childhood. Grapes are sour. Is jumping. Not getting the, maybe it is that grapes are sour. So, no need. So, nobody can get Krishna Prema, those who are following Sahajiya procedure, their leader, their follower, all they going to hell forever. Bhaktivinoda told, Prabhupada told, Keshav Goswami Maharaj to all. This is the final conclusion. Tomorrow I can draw. So after that I can think what to start, maybe Brihad Bhagavatam Rito or what you suggest. Because Brihad Bhagavatam, Logu Bhagavatam Rito can give the conclusive idea. It is a vast. So as you like, I can take consent from you. Not fancifully I can start anything. So today I am bound to stop here. Vancha kalpataru sikhipa sindhu vacha patitanang pavanubha Vishnu bhyo namo.